What's the meaning of collectible? Collectible. Collectible.
Collectible. Collectible. The term collectible refers to objects that are sought after by collectors due to their rarity, historical significance, or aesthetic value. These objects can include anything from stamps and coins to artwork and memorabilia. Collectibles can hold both monetary and sentimental value, and their worth often increases over time. Some people collect items as a hobby, while others see it as an investment opportunity. Regardless of the reason for collecting, there is a thriving market for collectibles, with auctions and online sales regularly bringing in high prices for sought-after items.